Alright guys, I'm going to do a review, or basically kind of unboxing, of the Lensball mount. I recently just purchased this. They were having a sale. So I finally snagged this guy. And then I'm going to show you guys the Lensball itself. It comes in a little box, but in the box there's a little pouch. It's got basically it looks to be, a Lensball, and then the Lensball, and then a little tag. So it's really, this black pouch is super nice. Fits in my little camera bag really well. I don't know if you guys seen the ads on like Facebook or on YouTube, but this thing is definitely, every photographer probably needs this in their bag. I know probably some people it's not their style, but it definitely has changed my experience with taking pictures like on the go, or just taking a hike in a trail, and then being able to take this out, and you can even use your phone. You don't necessarily need like an actual camera, so that's super cool. Yeah, so the Lensball, it comes in that little black pouch in a box. And there's a little booklet in there too, and just he shows he or she, the company shows their appreciation for you buying it, and to tag them on Instagram. So now we're gonna move into the mount. I would have purchased this when I got the regular Lensball. They actually have two different sizes. I have the biggest size, so I'm probably gonna try to get the smaller size too, which would be super cool. The mount, it was on sale, so I finally snagged it. Comes in this styrofoam piece right here. But basically it shows a little Lensball logo like the pouch does, and then Lensball on the other side there. So, and then here's the tripod part. And then the top of this, it's basically just silicone is what it is. So, and then it just sits on there just like that. And there's no special like cleaner to clean the Lensball with. I usually just use the pouch. I keep it, I wouldn't drag it on the ground or anything, because your Lensball goes in there. But yeah, I've had this thing for probably a couple years. So yeah, I'd say it's super clean. I haven't used any chemicals on it. I probably wouldn't. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about it, please comment down below. In the next video, I will give I will post pictures that I've taken with the Lensball, and show you guys a video of it as well, and of me shooting with the Lensball. There is a actual like class online that you can buy to help you guys take really good photos with this. I haven't done it. Maybe that may be something I might want to do in the future, because I really like taking pictures with this thing. But yeah, basically you can go anywhere. You can use your phone, a camera if you got one, and basically anything. Like the nature ones are super cool. I really want to take one on the beach with the waves going over, so it looks super cool. And at night with the lights, so like Christmas lights would be super cool going through, or even around it. So I can't wait for that. So yeah, Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.